Well, how you going? Tom here from Sweeney Hire. We're just going to do a bit of a track change over here again today on the little mini loader, the little Hysoon 280. We have done this before as well with another little loader, but we're just going to try and run through the steps and give you a bit of an idea of what's involved on taking off the tracks. Now these tracks are actually 150 wide, and we're actually putting on the wider track, which is the 180. We've been running them for quite a bit, probably about 100 hours on the other little mini loader, and they seem to be working pretty good. And yeah, everyone that hires them is giving pretty good reviews and everything on them, so we're going to whip these off and yeah, show you what it entails. Just been in the shop as well, I just thought I'd mention. Picked up a little jack for myself in Aldi, and two of these little stands. 30 bucks for this, 30 bucks for the jacks. Couldn't really go wrong with that. Instead of lugging around my big bloody trolley jack for a little work like this, it's pretty handy. You know, it's finding it hard to see how lads make it for that price, really. But yeah, we'll give them a bit of a test out as well when we're at this and see how it goes. So yeah, with the little jack, some lads put in like a piece of timber or something like that on the back of it to jack it up, but I just use the jack. It's pretty easy. You know that you're not going to damage the machine or anything like that. So we'll give that a bit of a whirl. See how my new jack goes. Test out my new stands while I'm at it, I suppose. Sturdy on that. Alright, so I'll take off the cover, I suppose, first and see what we're at, give us a bit of a better view. All you need is these two inside ones here. Take off these lads, because that's just basically holding on a backing plate basically, so we just need those inside ones. Just a little 12mm socket. We see what's going on in here. Down out to one side. Now basically what we want to do next is open up all the tensioners. Right, so then what we basically want to do is, you'll see there's a little bolt here that tensions out the track, basically, the track frame. So there's a little lock nut in behind this, 24mm. Loosen that little lad off first, if you can, if you have the strength. Yeah, loosen that one off, and then you can get your 24mm socket, stick it on that one, and loosen off the bolt. Just probably go at about 20-30mm, something like that. Don't have to go too mad. You'll have plenty of play on the track anyway. And just grab a 18. You probably won't be able to see it, but I'll just point in there. There's two 18mm bolts then that just connect the frame to the body, and to allow that frame to go back and forward, basically, to loosen it off. There's one here and then one underneath that frame as well, that chassis. So just loosen off those two 18mm nuts then as well. And one underneath there, if we can see it. Oh. Same again, you don't have to wind them out all the way. Just as long as they're loose enough for us to work with. free up that just to give you enough enough room for the idler to come back, and enough space for to get that track off. Basically, just a little bit of play. Should be enough there now. We'll just give it a fire up again, and yeah, hopefully that little jammy bar will take it off this time. Round and round she goes until she pops off, basically. That's basically it. Now, that's one track off. Move that one out of the way. Usually what I do when I have all this framework off as well is probably to point out, I'll just give all these bearings and all a bit of a check over. Make sure there's no play on anything. All these sprockets and all as well. Make sure there's no big wear on them. And just give everything a bit of a grease up and a bit of TLC when we have everything open, basically. So yeah, they all look pretty good. Go and grab these tracks. That's basically where you want your track sitting, with the V like that. The V facing this way on the top of your track. All we're basically doing here is, you can probably jimmy it on with a bar as well, to get it back on as well, but I'd like to do something a little bit different. I basically just use a ratchet strap, a little small ratchet strap. I'll just see if I can find one. Yeah, so all you do basically is just get it on the front idler first. So just make sure it's over the top and on the bottom of the idler. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just get it on, even if you just get it over this much of the cog on the back, or the sprocket I should say, on the back. It doesn't matter if it's on the, it doesn't matter if it doesn't like completely go over the rest of the sprocket. What we do is we'll just put a strap on. The same idea as taking it off basically. We'll just put, the only difference is we're going to strap through here and then around the track, and then hopefully then as we bring the sprocket backwards, it'll track the sprocket on. It just makes it a little bit easier, I reckon, anyway. And see what yous reckon. Yous have to put one on, and if it makes it a bit easier for you, so why not? Now, so that one should come up there. Now I might get the mail just in there, yeah, just keep it in there like that. Now I'll put the strap on and then we'll give you a rundown on what the story is. So just try and make these straps as short as possible. You'll be basically running in through there if you can, or don't connect onto the existing strap, if you know what I mean. I hope you can see that okay.
I'll see if I can get it close up with this camera. sure that's on that cog in there. Now, I'll just bring that one around in there. And just tighten it up as normal. And then hopefully when we back this track up, it will take a bit of tension onto it and should in theory keep that track on that sprocket and pull it on. Let the machine do the work for you. And we might just have to, I'll just say as well, we might just have to just keep a foot in there. If you want to just do that there, Mel, just keep a foot, just keep a bit of pressure on this part here, that doesn't pop out as the track is pulled coming around. You might want to go that way a bit there, Mel. With the camera. Basically it. I'm after doing a lot of these. I know we're in a concrete workshop here at the moment, but this just saves so much bloody time. If you have a track coming off with a customer, you can get out to them, get in and out pretty quick, 15-20 minutes, get a track off and on, and yeah, you're good to go again, you know what I mean? So it's when you're talking about plus 30 degrees heat, you know what I mean, it just saves a lot of hassles really, I think. So yeah, see what you think.